Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT P50, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some features or icons, or just to remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and then if I scroll down we can see here this down invisible section with invisible options. And if you want to add some options to your notification panel, you should hold and drag it to that subsection by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to remove some icons from here, by the same way, hold the icon and after that drag it here to this down section by this way. And to change their positions here, just hold it and drag it here. That's so simple, as you can see. So that's it. After that, just go back to save all the changes. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.